It's gonna explode. Oh, here we go.
Yes, yes.
It might do more stuff.
It might do more. That was awesome. Happy New Year. Guys, that was so the best thing I've done all year. I knew we could do it. Did you get that all again?
I did.
Please upload that to Facebook immediately.
And now we're just waiting for it to burn it. That was awesome.
Anyone got a piss?
Yeah, I was just saying, someone want a pee on it? Yeah.
It all just goes out. Whoa! It just shot me!
Oh, shit. Did you get that one on film too? Yes, I just spit on it again. Sean's got magical spit. Oh, my hands were in my pocket. I tried to run away. I was like, boom!
Wait, you spit on it?
Yeah, I spit on it and it was like, boom! That was amazing. I was standing on the ice with my hands in my pockets. I was like a penguin. Hey, get away from there.
No. It fell apart before it hit. I don't think it will.
Why is it burning that long? Lighter fluid, dude.